last lecture, we discussed how consumers evaluate different alternatives before making a purchase. Today, we'll focus on the moment of truth. The purchase decision is the culmination of consumers' decision-making process. It is the point at which the consumer selects a particular product or service from the available alternatives and commits to buying. While this may seem like a straightforward step, it is often influenced by a variety of factors that can make it more complex than it appears. Several factors can influence the purchase decision. Attitude of others. The opinions and recommendations of friends, family, and other significant individuals can play a crucial role in the purchase decision. Positive word of mouth or social proof can reinforce the consumer's choice, while negative feedback can create doubt and hesitation. Unexpected situational factors. Unforeseen events such as sudden change in financial circumstances, a natural disaster, or even a global pandemic can significantly impact the purchase decision. These events can alter the consumer's priorities, needs, and available resources, leading them to reconsider their initial choice. Perceived risk. The perceived risk associated with a purchase can influence the decision. Consumers may hesitate to buy a product if they perceive high financial, performance, or social risk. For example, a consumer might be hesitant to purchase a new car due to the high cost and the risk if not meeting their expectation. The purchase decisions can be further complicated by the phenomena of choice overload. When faced with too many options, consumers may feel overwhelmed and struggle to make a decision. This can lead to decision fatigue, procrastination, or even abandoning the purchase altogether. Despite these challenges, the purchase decision is a crucial moment for both consumers and businesses. For consumers, it is the point at which they finally satisfy their need or want and potentially gain the value from their purchase. For businesses, it is the moment of truth, where they convert a potential customer into a paying one. To facilitate a smooth decision process, businesses can employ several strategies. Simplify the choice process. Offer curated selection of products or services, highlighting the key features and the benefits to help consumers make informed choices. Reduce perceived risk. Provide warranties, guarantees, and easy return policies to elevate consumer concerns about potential risks. Offer incentives. Provide discounts, promotions, or free trials to incentivize consumers to make a purchase. Create a positive shopping experience. Design a user-friendly website or store environment that makes it easy for consumers to browse, compare, and purchase products. Provide excellent customer service. Offer prompt and helpful assistance to address any questions or concerns that consumers may have before or during the purchase process. Understanding the purchase decision stage is crucial for businesses. By recognizing the factors that influence this decision and implementing strategies to facilitate it, businesses can increase their sales, enhance customer satisfaction, and build long-term loyalty. In our next lecture, we'll explore the final stage of consumer decision-making process, post-purchase evaluation. We'll discuss how consumers assess their satisfaction with a purchase and how this evaluation can impact their future buying decisions and brand loyalty.